You do not want to miss this video about making money online. Learning on how to make cash online could be hard, especially if you do not know what you are doing. Get some direction and help with the suggestions provided in this video. It can point you towards the right direction, so you can start earning money online before you know it. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. If you are dedicated to making money online, you should be following blogs on the topic. You need to spend 20% of your time learning about the online market and 80% working through it. Blogs are a great way to find out about new opportunities or beneficial tips and tricks. Don't be afraid to make contact with real people, just because you're looking for money-making opportunities online. While most sites are self-explanatory and can be operated with little to no assistance, you can find out more about legitimacy by conducting conversations with site owners or other employees. If you don't hear back anything, that could be a red flag. Be grounded in your expectations about making money online. It still takes time and effort. Block out an hour a day from your schedule to spend online working on things, but do not quit your day job yet. It could be days or even weeks before you even know what you are good at. In order to make money online, you'll have to be organized. You should create a schedule and stick to it strictly. Don't let distractions take you away from your job. At the same time, pencil in some time to spend with family and friends. The more dedicated you are, the better. If you already have a business, you can increase your sales through online marketing. Advertise your products on your own website. Offer special discounts and sales. Keep the information updated. Ask customers to join a mailing list so they get steady reminders about your products. You have the ability to reach a worldwide audience this way. Many people make good money online by flipping domain names. You can find trending keywords by using Google AdWords. Use these keywords to create domain names that you feel will soon be popular. If these are in short supply, you may do well simply creating acronyms at random. When a person seeking that acronym attempts to create a website, your domain name for sale will pop up. Look into mystery shopping ventures. Of course, you've heard about mystery shoppers. They get paid to go to a place and then talk about how their experience went. There is a much higher demand for online mystery shoppers here lately. Generally, you must purchase a small item as proof of your visit. However, the potential income really adds up. If you have no idea where to start, then going after money on the internet can be a bust. Be wise and use tips others have found success with. This video is also a great start, and the tips given here will be instrumental in starting out on your new financial path. Student loan.